This is your food. You care about your food. You know its history, where it comes from, and how it was grown. Along the way, it's been cared for by the hands of your friends, neighbors, or those who are strangers only because you haven't met them yet. But they're every bit as important to your food's journey as the soil it comes from. Soon, a new certification system will assure that American farms meet rigorous safety standards and treat their workers with the same great care they give to the fruits and vegetables they grow. So you know that the fields where your food comes from are a decent and safe place to work, and that your food is the best it can be for you and your family. More retailers will carry produce that is responsibly grown and farm worker assured, but you need to make your voice heard. Sign the pledge at takepart.com/Chavez. They care. Show them that you do too.